moving. Sophie, eat.
Honey, hurry up! We are late for church.
Sophie, wear your shoe.
I don't want this one.
Daddy, stop crying. This man that calls himself pastor will never help out. All I get is let's go. And the sound of the horn. This is absolutely not fair.
What happened, honey? You took longer than usual. The service will soon start. Why the silent treatment, babe? I'm only saying we are late. Is it because I was blowing the horn? We have to be there as examples to the congregation. Honey, please talk to me. Don't be like that.
If you think you could dress yourself and sit in the car while I did everything, then you can as well enjoy the silence you created.
Juliet, wait. Let's walk in together as a family. What's all this silence? Now, turn to your neighbor and shake their hand. Tell them God is good.
There are people like some of us who are helped by God. When others are bragging and clapping, we stand back and zip our mouth because we dare not beat our chest to say the reason why I can take tea and bread is because...
Hope all is well with you and your husband. I noticed everything.
I'm fine, Mom.
Honey, that was a powerful service. Are you still not talking? People are starting to look.
Pastor Daniel, well done for the message today. It was fire.
Thank you, Mama. We're just trying.
Pastor, I've known Juliet since she was a girl. That woman in your car is not fine. Her silence is screaming. I think you and I need to have a talk in my office tomorrow morning. Don't worry about the sermon. Let's talk about the home.
Thank you, Mom. God bless you.
You too. Drive safe. Pastor, Juliet is a very good girl. You asked me to talk to her. I have talked to her. But now, I need to talk to you.
Mama, I don't understand. I provide everything. I'm a faithful husband. But for weeks, she has turned the house into a graveyard. No smiles, no food, no communication, nothing. Just because I tell her to hurry up for God's work?
Daniel, let me ask you. When you are hurrying her from the car, blowing that horn boom, 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 where are the children?
They are inside with her, of course, getting ready.
And who bathed Darian? Who dressed Sophie? Who packed the diaper bag? Who cooked the Sunday rice you ate after service? Who made sure your own suit was ironed and your shoes were polished? You are leading a church of 500 people, but you are leaving your wife to lead a war alone in the kitchen. She's not giving you the silent treatment to punish you.
I see. I need to make this right.
Daniel, she is silent because she is exhausted. She has no breath left to speak.
Diaconess, thank you so much for intervening. The truth is that my wife is the only friend I have. These past few weeks has been hell for me. I've missed her friendship and my companion a lot. Thank you so much. I'll be on my way. He didn't call her name. He walked over, took the sponge out of her hand, and put his arms around her waist. I am a blind man, Juliet. I've been preaching about the helpmeet, but I turned you into a housemaid. I am so sorry for the horn.
I forgive you.
I am so sorry for the rush. From today, things will change. Please stop the silent treatment. I can't bear it anymore, my love.
It's okay, honey. I'm also sorry for everything I put you through. I just couldn't take it anymore.
I love you. I love you.
I love you too, Daniel.
We'll get through this together. Come back here, you slippery little fish. You can't escape the towel, monster.
Thank you, Daddy.
Come Come back here, you slippery little fish. Take your time, honey. My first lady is here.
Thanks, Pastor.
Oh, you mean thanks, my love.
Welcome to church. I know that smile, Juliet, my daughter. Thank you, Mom, for all you do for us.
Deaconess Abigail, our mommy of life, thank you for restoring peace to my home.
You are welcome, my son.